Hey everyone, I hope you are doing absolutely well. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install TradingView on your Windows laptop in 2026. Now guys, if you are interested in purchasing TradingView premium subscriptions, now is the time for you to do it because currently in the Black Friday sale, all of the subscriptions are at up to 80% discount. Plus, you will get 1 month absolutely free as additional bonus. Only 3 days left. So if you are interested in this deal, make sure you check out the link in the description. Now, in order to install TradingView on laptop's window, you have two options. In the first option, what you can do is you can simply launch your Microsoft Store here in your PC. Then simply use the search bar here on the top and look for the option of TradingView. As you can see, we have the TradingView application available here on the Microsoft Store. So you simply need to click on the option of get, and the desktop version of TradingView will be automatically installed in your Windows device. The second method what you can do is you can just simply open the search bar here and you can just simply look for TradingView desktop. So once you search for TradingView desktop application, you will find its setup over here on this page. So you can click on its setup. You can download it for Windows and its setup will be downloaded. Then you just have to install it and log in into your account. This way you will be able to start using it in your Windows PC. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel for more TradingView tutorials, and also comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.